Hey, what's up, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends on the place you're watching me from. On today's video is a special video, guys. I miss you, and I know you miss me too. It's another bright day over here. I give thanks to Almighty Jah for this amazing, beautiful, and great day. Wanna say it's my birthday month. That's October, and I'm praying October to be nice to me, and it ends well. So welcome back. We are on the road to 30,000 subscribers, guys. Please show some love, like this video, and comment down below at the comment section what you think about this video. I'm filming this video all the way from our bulletproof house. It's early morning, and this is how you see it is. Don't mind about everything because I just woke up, and today I want to share with you some amazing routine over here in the village. I know you miss me. How many people missed me? Hands up. Yeah, hands up for those who missed me. Hands up. For the Jamaicans, they say it has gone so. It has gone so. Something like that. So please ensure you show some love here by subscribing. And for 23,000 plus K subscribers, I really appreciate you for this amazing love and for the amazing great support that you show me, and you have shown me all the way. You have stick by me, and of course, I love you guys. For today, I don't want to put my specs because I lost my other specs in a quarry. I have this kind of shades that one of the guys came in the village and showed me. So when I put them this way, they call me FBI. But when I take them this way outside, so let me know. Do I look nice with these shades? They're sunglasses, I think. Do I look nice on these gray shades? When I put them in here, I look this way. I've been struggling because I went to the other shop of the eye. They told me they're going to make specs for me, so I'm waiting for it. So we are waiting for that, guys. We wanna be seeing with my new eye specs. These one are just shades to prevent me from harsh sunlight, which are good also. I'm appreciating. And when I take them off, and who realized that I had a new haircut when I was celebrating my birthday, in which I never celebrated much, but I appreciate under the courtesy of my wife Minhawi and the family, because they surprised me. And for those who wished me happy birthday, I appreciate you, and I'm so much grateful, and I took your wishes to my heart. Thank you so much for birthday wishes. I can't mention your names, but you know yourself. For those who wished me, asante sana and mbarikiwe. And guys, this day today, it's getting to be where are you, babe? Is it today you went that way? So I'm going to address some rumors. I've been going to just review things up and downs here and there, breaking my silence because this is my birthday month, and I want to just change, you know. Adding that 1 year is something that most of people do wish to, but some end up not skipping for that new year, and others not even they just skip and then they diminish. So I'm so much grateful to Almighty God at first for this amazing, beautiful, and great year that He has granted to me. He has added to me, and I'm praying for myself for more years to come, to shine, and also to be helpful to the community, not only the community but to the society, and not only to the society but to the whole world. Whoever needs my help, I'll be there. As long as I know something, keep on praying for me, and I really appreciate your love and support. So I'm taking this time to just prepare something nice and just speak it out from my heart, so that it can just go and start a new life in this new edition of an year. I wish something good, something great, good life. And with me, I'm always grateful for each and every person who have held my hand, starting from the day I started maybe my YouTube channel, starting from the day my mama put me accepted my dad to put me on his womb, and also accepted the grace of God, like, oh, you wanna grow this way. You know, it's very, you know, sometimes it's not really, I know you know, but I'm so much grateful for this. And for that, God bless you all mamas and all daddies in this world. So I want to there's something that I bought here. There's something, we have these ones. They're this one. They're called spider plant. They're called spider plant. Sorry guys, don't mind my hands. They're called spider plants. These spider plants are very they're called saga. And also we have what we call like kales. Oh no, these are black nightshades. Yeah, managu. Black nightshades, all managu. And this one. So I have this big surprise for my whole family. Not only my whole family, but even if you come over here, you'll be always done what we call like celebrate this kind of veggies. They are very nice, and the advantages of these, they're called African Seed Company. Why I love these, like I love veggies, guys. I really love veggies. Let me show something over here. Even now, as we speak, there's some food that I ate here. These are veggies. There's also some ugali here. So I really am in love of veggies like no man's man, because when I was in the hospital, not only that I was in the hospital, when I went to the hospital to the eye physician, is it eye physician or to the optician, he told me you have to eat greens every single day of your life. Eat greens. So sometimes when I travel maybe outside the country, I get this big problem of eating what we call like greens. But for now, it's so nice that I have it here, and I wanna surprise my wife and also the whole family with this, because I told her to wake up early in the morning and we can just prepare something. So because of that, I wanna go plant this. If you know this kind of plants, comment down below. They are called spider plant, which is my favorite, and also my other favorite is this black nightshade plants. So I wanna take my stuffs and just head to the land and see what is happening. Let's go. Put this in a seedling, and I wanna be giving you an update each and every single day, an update of this. And one of the advantages of this what you call like these seedlings is, or these plants or these veggies, is that they do add blood. Let me put on this. Sorry guys, you know sometimes they usually believe when you're going to the shamba you have to put on rags, but most people here, they don't believe that you can just put on well. That's a belief of everyone, but I do believe on my own that we are going to the land. Also, it's an office like other offices. Don't put on rags, just put on well. Even the plants will put on well. Manu, good morning, how are you? This is my young brother, guys. He's very nice. Hey, good morning, how are you?
I'm fine.
Yes, introduce yourself.
Yeah, what's up guys? Come back to Claude Joseph's YouTube channel.
Yes, walk this way because there's music there. Yes, let's walk. Yes.
Hello guys, come back to Claude Joseph's YouTube channel.
Yes.
If you're new there guys, please subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment. I think on this video, not I think, I know this video is going to be very nice. Yeah.
You don't think.
Yeah,
you just give facts.
Yeah.
We are here not to think, but to give. We deal with facts.
Yes.
This is my young brother, guys, and I'm so much happy that nowadays his English is like top notch, very top notch, and keep on learning about vocabularies, about the adjectives, how to balance, you know, the plural of something, the singular of something, you know, something like that. Okay. Yes. How is school taking you?
School is good. Yeah, and today is I think
it's a holiday.
Yeah, it's a holiday.
Is it Madaraka? I think it's Madaraka or Mashujaa. It's Mashujaa, guys. Here we are celebrating, and also, oh nice, happy Mashujaa Day to everyone watching this. Happy Mashujaa. So in this Mashujaa Day, I'm going to plant this because of my family should be Mashujaa, and I should be a Shujaa to my family. Shujaa means somebody who is strong. All right. So what are you wishing for people who are watching you?
Yeah, if you're watching us here in in our home, please subscribe to us. Yeah,
yes,
Claude Joseph,
yes,
Minhawi,
yes,
and all over the people who are here in Nyabohansi.
Yes.
And I wish you happy Madaraka Day, everyone.
Oh, happy Mashujaa.
Oh, happy Mashujaa Day.
Okay, guys.
Yeah.
All right, guys, that's it. And keep on, man. How many subscribers now?
1,070.
Oh man, guys, please let's take my brother to even 2K subscribers. And for now, he's wishing for watch ours. All right, guys, let's go and plant this. I will giving you. Do you know the advantage of these seedlings? Maybe if you know of these plants, we have a black nightshade and spider plant.
Yeah, the advantages. You have to plant on like on the soft soil. Yeah.
So I'm saying advantage in terms of consumption. In terms of consumption, when you eat this, what does it add in the body?
Oh, it's it adds, I think, not protein, vitamins. Yeah, it adds vitamins.
So these ones are greens, and they are good in when you eat them. They can just help in eyesight. They can help on eyesight, and also with this, what we call like spider plant, they help in blood adding, and also brain sharpening.
Yes.
All right, man. Have it nice, okay? Yeah. The Jamaicans say, there's a word says, "You have it so." It's like saying "kepa so." They have it so, something like that, guys. So this is my home, and let's see what's happening over here. All right. Nanusu, Angelina ni mutu. Nanusu. This is my granny, guys. I usually love to dance with her. Wedokutu ni mutu, nanusu. Bibi Angelina ni mutu. Nanusu. My grandma is notu. And notu. Guys, this is my granny. Bibi,
Yeah.
hi, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
How are you?
You good?
You good?
Yeah, blessings.
You good?
How are you?
How are
Say
you?
hi, guys.
Hi guys.
How are you?
How are you?
Subscribe,
Thank you guys.
like,
Hi.
share.
Share.
Yeah. Sasa tunapanda mboga goko managu na saga. I'm telling how you go.
Wasulima hapo.
When plant mboga, saga na managu.
Hiyo kama unaleta ni mzuri.
Mzuri. Naendeleaje lakini vizuri?
Tena nzuri sana.
So guys, this is my grandma over here, and I wanna check my wife went there with bro, you wanna say good morning? He feels good one. Alright guys, let's go to the shamba. Let's head to the shamba. In highway. Oh, let's just go. There was something here. And I'm so much happy that our land is doing good. Alright. You know, nowadays guys, even I'm trying to address this and break my silences. Like even nowadays I call my wife and she cannot be on my camera. Reason being, sometimes when we say it's free to comment on the comment section, but people take advantage of just insulting my wife, making her feel bad. And sometimes you might not know, maybe she's having her own issues and I'm having my own issues. It's not good maybe to body shame her or do something, you know, something like that. Sometimes it drives away, it can break even a relationship. I know there are those who wish me well, and there are those who don't wish me well, and there are those who will like, if one day you break with Ninhawi, this will be. If you are able to support me now, and if you are able to support her now, because that's the best way. Don't try to make this on this other end, make this on this other end. Yeah, maybe one day you might be like loving to see me with another person, and in real sense you are happy for me being with that person, but there's no peace in the house. And in another way, you dislike someone where there is peace in the house. So actually think about it. Put this in your in your shoes. Just put put yourself under my shoes and have that, and just put this under like, just to think about it, like, where I'm insulting your wife or your girlfriend, let me say my girlfriend maybe, because there's nothing has happened much on the other end. So let me just give you an example of this. I'm trying to break my silence, sorry guys for that. In which, just to clear out, I told you this is October, and October babies love to say the truth, being honest, and sometimes, you know. So on this other end, you have been seeing me very low. Sometimes I feel like, oh, Claude is doing this, Claude is doing this. It's because I'm trying to be silent, and being silent is one of the best weapons. But sometimes I'm feeling like, speak it out, Claude, speak it out, because out of let me say, out of 10 comments, you find 8 of them are negative according to my wife, and 2 of them are positive about this. So you feel sometimes when she go through that, and maybe we say she's pregnant, because you people have been assuming she's pregnant, in which your assumption might not be wrong until I just give you the credit. Okay, I give you the real, you hear from the horse mouth, like, oh, it's real, yeah, it's okay. But before that, I love to keep my family private, and that's how best it is. I'm not trying to address you in a bad way, but to tell you what's happening. And yeah, so we'll be addressing these rumors up and down, slowly by slowly. I don't love for this. Me, I love to create content. I reach the content which is very educative to everyone. Like, you can watch it with your wife, you can watch it with your grandma, you can watch it with your kid. Just a very nice educative content. Sorry for that, guys. So let's dig into our land, and we want to see how from the wife, because from my girlfriend, I want to hear it from my girlfriend, because sometimes she's very low and I'm the person being aside and being thrown the blame on. Please think about it. If I made a mistake, comment down below, and be the first person to comment something which is positive, because sometimes I know you are speaking your mind, but on the other end, it's damaging somebody's emotions. Emotional damage. All right, I told you guys, sometimes I always tell you, like, be clean, and being clean doesn't mean that you have to put on a suit, or just be clean, because it's believed in my community, going to a shamba or going to the land, you must put on rags. Oh my God, who said that? In which history? This way, I'll just put on this way. I can go to the bank this way, because I respect land or farming as a very nice job. It's like another white collar job. So I'm putting on my all gadgets. There's a phone in here, and these are my seeds or seedlings. We have spider plant over here, which called saga, and black nightshade, which are managu. So I keep them in here, and then I carry my djembe or fork or hoe. Is it a hoe? Don't get me wrong. I carry my hoe or a djembe, whichever. Please comment down below at the comment section, what do you think about this? Can it be a hoe or a djembe? With us here, we call it djembe. In English, people can call it a hoe. In other words, people can call it fork. Is it fork? No, it's not fork. So let's dig in, let's go to the land, and we see what's happening, because I'm just going to prepare some place, and then my wife will be accompanying me, telling me what to do and what she thinks about this. See you on the land. So guys, I'm here, and also I'm having a visitor who traveled all the way from Mombasa to come and just say hi to my wife and also to the family. And also she has been my good friend of mine, so I'll introduce her to you. But before that, I have my wife with me over here. So I'm trying to do a small seed bed over here that I'll just plant the black nightshades over here, and then the saga. We have this way we call, is it winnowing or throwing? In terms of agriculture, how do we call it? Do you know it?
No.
You don't know it?
No.
Comment down below, but when the name comes back, I'll just give you. It's a process of throwing them. Hey, do you know the process of throwing seeds to grow? No. Oh my God. You never did history in terms of Mesopotamia and other things.
Mesopotamia was a place in the Bible.
No, not in the Bible.
It's a country.
But where did agriculture develop from? They always say so.
Mesopotamia.
Mesopotamia is where you can start about Mesopotamia. You go down below. I'll give you a history. Remember,
Okay.
I'm a good historian. So down below comment, and as I do this, okay? Let me prepare a seedling, a seed bed. I'm making a seed bed. You have to just sieve the land, the mchanga. This way, this way. Mesopotamia, early agriculture. They were growing in large scale. But
Mesopotamia is not in the Bible?
It is in the Bible, yes.
Okay.
It's in the Bible. But because of the Nile, River Nile, there is agriculture where started being grown because of what we call like early fathers, you know. They started doing agriculture there. In Egypt too. So it was
agriculture in Egypt.
So it was all the way down.
Okay, along the Nile.
Mesopotamia, along the River Nile, coming down below, as you see, all the way through. So in large scale, but in small scale, it was done in over here, like a place like this. Part of growing sugarcane, maize, things like that. So if you follow Claude more, you learn more of history and more of things in the world. So I'm trying to make this bed. Oh my God! I'll make it like a grave. Like a grave, so that you can plant the nightshade first. Be careful. You know the djembe has no eyes. I'm planting this for my upcoming baby, maybe to address the new ones. The upcoming. You know, when you know that there's something, you have to prepare for it.
Is there something?
I guess maybe you can give us credit on. Maybe you can just tell us more about it.
They've been saying so.
Because
do you want something?
They see on the comment. They say, "Oh, Claude."
No, do you want something?
Why is your wife covering herself with a pillow every time?
I think I don't know.
Video that are sitting
It's because people keep saying I'm pregnant all the time, so I don't want that conversation to go on. So sometimes, and also I don't know. And then I've always had like a tummy. I've always had like a tummy, so I don't know. When you are just sometimes uncomfortable because of the comments, you know that are going to come, so you just cover it. You know, and even if there's a baby, we have no problem. We'll be so happy. What do you think? Bring my introduce Bumble, guys. Hey, before even we continue with the digging, I have my baby here. His name is Bumble. Hello, Bumble. He's called Bumble. And the other friend there is called B. B is a bit traumatized. Someone hurt her, sorry. So she's a bit traumatized, but this one is fine. We washed, can you believe that, guys? We wash them every week, and this is how they look. They're dirty all the time.
But they're dark.
Because of the soil. You know? Yeah, so this is Bumble here. And yeah, B is going. B! Come, baby, come. He loves playing. Come. Yay! Yay, B! Yay! He's the dirtiest, and he was washed. When you wash him, he becomes sparkling white. But 2 minutes later, she's like something else. They know I'm their mama. Hi. I bought them dog food, but they refuse to eat. I don't know why. Hi. They only want milk, meat, and I don't know what. Stop biting me. Look at B. She's very dirty. Stop fighting. Stop it. And you're in love with this one. Bumble. He's the most playful one.
Look at this.
Even this one is playful, but she's been sick. But he's He's the cool baby. He's the cool
Are we
kid.
going to Mombasa?
You want to go with him to Mombasa?
Hey.
No, it feels like a look at your clothing. No, it feels like.
No, me, I have a dog, so I have no issues with dogs. But I love dogs.
I love dogs too. Yeah, so guys, this here is amazing. Beatrice Hongo, she's my bestie. My friend from Mombasa, she visits me all the time. Like a year she can come twice or thrice. She's like, I'm in Kisumu.
Yeah, because I go to my home place in
Yeah.
Kisumu. So
Yeah.
most of the time before I travel back, I'm like, oh.
Yeah. So she has to see me all the time because I'm also, when I'm in Mombasa, we have to see each other. So subscribe to
But
Beatrice
this time
Hongo.
when you're back to Mombasa, you should do a lot of content.
A lot of content.
We normally say that.
But we never show up. For some reason, we are like, okay, I'm coming. And we don't come. So, but then now this time, guys.
Yeah, I also have a channel
Mm-hmm.
at Beatrice Hongo. You can support me there, guys.
Mm-hmm.
This amazing cutie. Look at this.
What is it?
He's enjoying.
Yeah.
Like, you know, I think he loves Pampers.
Self-love. Wants to be loved. And love himself in the process.
Yeah, look at the way he's raised his...
Yeah. So, he's super dramatic. But Bumble, on the other hand, she's a bit traumatized. Someone really messed up with her, and I'm not happy. But anyway, guys, enough of that. Are we having a baby or not? So, let's go back to business. We are preparing a seed bed.
I'm the father, maybe.
Baby, 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 baby.
Maybe we can start with maybe having baby showers over here.
Yeah, and you guys, if you've been prophesying and saying this, you must come for the baby shower.
Said sometimes it's there.
Sometimes it's there.
What is being said? Sometimes it's there and it's coming.
It's coming.
Yeah. You people have said, you have failed to tell me the process of. Okay, you take something like this.
And throwing it, the
throw it
seedlings.
this way.
Throwing like you're on a farm, and then you plant them by throwing.
Which
like
is this? It was used to be
especially wheat
it's even,
and millets.
It's even in the Bible.
Is it winnowing is taking off the shaft?
It's even in the Bible. I can't tell you guys. Please comment down below. Even you know very well the Bible. Please. Which is the process of doing this?
I think I've forgotten.
And then he took other seeds and done this. Other seeds fell in a good soil.
Others
Then
fell in
this
a bad soil.
Other seeds
I
fell
remember
in a
that
bad
verse
soil.
from the Bible.
I know, guys, you know that.
I
Comment
remember.
down below. I'm not going to tell you. That's an example for you guys. And also for my girlfriend over here. Yeah, so I think this is almost ready. In Mesopotamia, they used to do what you call like bennial lay farming. You know bennial lay farming?
I don't know.
Bennial lay farming is where you do heaps like this. So it's like a bennial is something, a heap.
Okay.
So where you do this trench like this.
Okay.
And they use in terms of irrigation, they used to use what we call like canal irrigation.
Okay.
Where you make something like this, and then from the river, you put something like a canoe. So there's water, you step like this, water goes in the canoe, and when you leave it, it runs throughout the trenches.
Okay.
So in the bennial farming.
Okay.
So those days back they used to plant like lentils, onions, things.
A lot of things.
Go back in the history.
So let's
back
see.
in the history.
Now he's really shining because I didn't do agriculture, and
No, I'm also not.
he's shining for me. So he
never
has
did
to teach me these things.
agriculture. That's history.
But you've been a farmer all your life, right?
This is where we have been farming.
Yeah.
And also I've been a farmer.
Small scale farming.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And also I've been a farmer because I used to, before even I met you, I used to just go lease land like this. Or, yeah, lease land. This is a good term of leasing land. Then I plant maize in abundance. Then True Boy and there's a boy called in Mombasa, Charles.
Charles, yeah.
Whenever I could be traveling or going to look for something, they could look after the maize, and when it's ready, we just harvest and I give them posho, and then it really supported me.
It's pushed you
Yeah, it pushed me. And I'm thinking of going back
to farming.
to farming,
Okay.
which is very good. But you know, sometimes you balance this, you do this, you do this. There's a lot of hate sometimes.
The hate was
You do this, and sometimes they know this. Oh, this is for this boy. Land becomes scarce. So I'm doing what we call like bennial farming, like this now. It's a seed bed like this. Tell people,
Mhm.
are you really pregnant?
Am I pregnant? Why would I tell them anyway?
You know, even
Do
now,
I owe them an explanation?
today
Mm-hmm.
I just balanced myself because today there were no even big jobs. There were no heavy jobs at True Boy.
At the construction
Yeah,
site.
I'll just go and check on it because I went there and checked and I was like, no, let me just come plant this for my family
Mm-hmm.
because now soon I'll be called a dad, as people say maybe, and I want to be a dad.
You want to be a dad?
Yeah, I'm already
Okay.
a dad.
Uh-huh.
You came when you find that my family
Mhm.
has like hey, people ride bikes here like crazy. You came you find that my sister, most people, my sister and my young brother, most people used to think, oh, are you their father? Because anything they would just say, Claude, anything, Claude. So I'm already a father. The moment you are 18 over, for a man, you are already a father. Because you can know how to take care of other people.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm
So
trying to
fatherhood
do
is
this.
nothing new to you.
Yeah.
Assuming now we have a baby, are you
The
ready?
responsibility.
You're ready to be responsible? Okay. So guys, the ones who are mad, I don't know how I can help you.
You're not mad. They are curious to know.
No, they're the ones who are mad. How are you?
No, they are curious.
You,
to know.
have you, no, I've seen the comments. I know when they're curious.
And
They're
always-
some who are curious. There's some who are mad.
And I'm always to tell you, don't always read the comments because they always traumatize. They just see. I sometimes I come in the house and find you.
I'm
Sometimes
not normally traumatized about comments or anything like that. No, I just sometimes I want to take a break. Of course, the comments. I'm a human being, and the comments can of course make you feel pissed off. But I've been bullied for the longest time, so it's
online bullying,
online bullying, yeah, cyberbullying.
cyberbullying.
It's nothing new. So it is what it is.
The birds are singing.
We say till the wheels fall off, right?
And we ride until the wheels.
We ride till the wheels fall off.
Maybe let's pray. You know, only thing is God. When we pray to Almighty God, like me, I usually go silent. And when I go silent, I do what we call like just
It's
avoid.
been a long time since I used a GoPro.
That's why I'm telling you, it has been also a long time since. Guys, come and show you. This is it. These are the seeds. This is how they look like.
Okay.
Yeah, these are for nightshades, managu. or
Managu.
So,
What do you do?
I wanna use something. There's a process like this, guys. You just do this.
So are you doing that here?
No.
Okay.
Here, you have to carry. Don't show people my nyaso.
No, your nyash is covered. Or let me cover your nyash for you.
I cover the nyaso because
Don't look at the nyash. Okay. The nyash is nyashing.
yeah, you know sometimes.
Kadoom.
You know sometimes.
Mhm.
I show people, they'll be like, oh, maybe he bought a new boxer.
Now I want people to see.
So
Does he have a
we
new
do
boxer?
this way. Anisha kwa chini.
Okay.
I just do this way. I'm not good in agriculture, but I can try. You just do this way for just this one.
You put them closely together.
I'm just trying to do this. It's like now this is what we call like biennial lane farming.
Okay.
So, but you do it in bigger portions. So when you pour water here, it runs all the way through.
Okay.
Yeah. So when I do this way, this way, I'm just trying to balance. For those who did agriculture, they just come back and just torment me with their comments. Oh, that's not how it's supposed to be done. Wow, you could have done this, which is good thing because
Yeah.
every day is learning. A baby could be calling us, Daddy,
What are you doing?
Tumba. So, you know, still having this, you know, every single, even I just meet people, they ask, where is your wife? Where is she? And I'm like, sometimes, you know, when people see you, they murife. Nowadays,
They run away.
people run away.
When they see me, why?
Because of whatever happened.
whatever. Oh, the issues that happened
Yeah,
a few
so-
weeks ago.
So they say, hey, what if I being seen with this lady?
I will lose my job.
Lose my job.
I
I'll
will
lose
be
the
fired.
trust.
Yeah, so it's okay to run away and save yourself the many bad energy.
Yeah, mostly.
And protect your brand as well.
Yeah.
It's okay, I understand. I have nothing against
But-
anyone.
But you know, the few who will still say no, but God is there.
Are you affected by all this?
I'm not positively or negatively. I was negatively affected sometimes, but I prayed for it.
I feel like you need to add more here.
No,
Fair
no.
enough.
That's how it should be.
Okay.
Because also they are almost up. You know, sometimes it affected me negatively on the other end, where I lost a lot of subscribers. You know, which I can't complain, because every bird sits on a tree that eats likes. You know,
Yeah.
so it's the same. It's like same subscribers. They always do what you call it. They subscribe to a person who they love or they like. So you can't force them. Even if they subscribe, they won't watch. You know. So the best thing is like to,
They're over?
yeah. So I'll just do this. You see, something like that.
The end is not covered. Well, the first line,
No, you don't have to cover it that much, because
the hen will eat them. The
No.
chicken.
chicken won't eat them. So you just cover slowly. Not that way.
Okay.
That's too much.
Okay, let me.
These things, they're not covered even. I'm just trying to assume that I can cover them, but they're not covered. They're not supposed to be covered. That's why there's a process called, I don't want to tell you.
So it's a
No,
learning
no.
thing.
I want you people to do a research for it. The process of throwing it. That I used to shine on that in high school. And the teacher could buy me soda almost every single time he asks that question.
Okay.
And so I don't want to spoil it. I don't want to spoil the game. Please give me $20. I can tell you at the comment section.
Eh?
I'm selling the knowledge now.
You're selling the knowledge for
Yeah.
$20.
Yeah. Please hold this. Then
Okay.
you do this. Why is it that we always do this? To mark.
Wait, I don't know if you.
Then you put this. You put it this way to tell people that there's some managu here, and tell them that,
Warn them.
warn them that there's some plant here. Now you can take this. We cover them by calling mulching.
Okay. Oh, okay.
I'm doing this because I don't want to put up, you know, putting up them this way, because this one they just take like 1 week, 7 days to grow. Just in 7 days, if you water them well.
And actually, it's raining.
Yeah, so no need of
Oh, we're
water.
lucky.
In 7 days, everything here will be bambucha.
So the other ones, we spread them, we throw them.
Yeah, the other ones, yeah. The process, I don't want to speak that process.
It's throwing.
because it's an exam, and when I just speak on that exam,
I think you need to know. You have every right to know what's happening.
but when I just tell you the process, I'll have a spoil it. Give me money, guys. Me, I love money. Give me money. I tell you. I tell you the process. You just send me that $20.
Uh-huh.
I tell you the process.
Will you be on this live stream, on this premiere today, so that you can be able to see if they know?
Yeah,
Will you join?
yeah, I will join.
Okay.
Sometimes I come from down there when I'm very tired and I sleep.
Yeah.
But are you happy?
Yeah.
Beatrice? Why are you so far? I see you love dogs.
She's like me,
Yeah. I thought you are here to help us mention
but
the name.
she's here to carry the dogs.
To help us even with the idea of how to plant this and tell us at your place. You know, in sorry if I wanna say in Luo land.
It's okay, I'm from
Yeah, in Luo land, maybe there's a process of planting this, in which with us here we're just doing. Like me, I made a shaggy seed bed, and I put that
Actually,
over
I
there.
don't know, to be honest.
You have never gone to the land?
I have, but I don't know.
Oh. And there's a process like this.
You know, for us women don't go to shamba.
Much.
Yes, yes.
Eh.
Hi, B.
I was told when I was
Where are
in
you
Luo.
going?
When I was in Luo, guys, if you're a Luo, maybe this side because there's sun there.
Okay.
There. I was told, I'm sorry to say this, guys, in Luo land, I was told the first time like we are planting maize like this, a man has to sleep with the wife.
Okay.
The man has to sleep with the wife before going to the land.
Thank God this maize was planted when I was not here.
So a man has to sleep. That's according to the culture of the Luos. If you wanna plant, it's planting season,
Yeah,
and if you have like 10 wives, you have to sleep with every wife.
No.
So you sleep with the one wife. No, it's like you sleep with the first wife
The
that you're going
first
to.
wife, yes. You
The
have to
first
sleep
wife?
with the first wife.
You're going to plant maize.
Yes.
Then if you're going to the other house, you have to sleep with her
Yes.
to go and plant maize.
Eh, that's a
So
lot
that
of
way,
work.
so if
Will you have energy to plant maize anymore?
so like me,
But it's different. When
So-
you have a father,
yeah,
it's different.
it's different.
Yeah, the father has to sleep with your mom.
Yes.
Is when the firstborn does the same.
Okay.
Then the
African
second born.
cultures.
Yeah, that's my culture.
Oh, that's Luo culture.
That's local.
What about your culture?
as you just plant maize.
You just plant
If
maize.
you happen to sleep together, sleep. But then now, it's not like it's not a cultural thing to plant or not.
Did we plant for that? Did we do
No,
it
but
so
you
that we
have
can
to
come and
plant
plant?
something.
Should we
Not
now-
sleeping
should
with
know
a
that-
woman is planting.
Now,
This one,
No,
Honestly?
this one. No,
So-
the main
the maize.
the main cash crop.
Oh,
Okay,
cash
so
Like
so,
with this, you don't need to do diggy diggy.
no wait. So should we jiggy jiggy for this? should we make a baby? Now that we've planted vegetables. Guys, me I feel like we should jiggy jiggy and start our own traditions.
Eh, that's just according to the Luo because I've stayed in the Luo land.
Me, I'm culturally Luo, but I'm
No, but
genetically
when you're
Kisi.
doing that for the cash crop, not the any other crop.
Oh,
Yeah, this one a woman can do.
So should we get sugarcane?
no.
And we plant
No,
sugarcane.
no, that's not okay. Maybe someday we bring a plant here, sugar cane.
Cooperate.
So now how can you jiggy jiggy?
Now we
and
need to make a baby, and now
Is she there? Is it a he or she?
hopefully a he.
Hopefully. That
But
was your
where is
father.
the baby that you are saying?
But
The
people
baby's here.
assume,
People
and you know sometimes the assumptions of people, they're like, let me see.
Oh,
The dog is biting you.
No, he
playing.
wants to be carried as well.
Want to see the baby?
Yeah, I wanna see the baby. Jiggy jiggy, jiggy jiggy, jiggy jiggy, jiggy jiggy. They always
Yeah.
saying that, like jiggy jiggy. There's this Aku and Popo, Shinedu. So he always like there's a movie that says jiggy jiggy, jiggy jiggy, something like that.
Okay.
But alright, guys, that's it. So let me plant this. Show us. You know, it's you now. I'm just going to use short, so I can see what you're planting. Okay?
Extra?
Short. Yeah, you throw them. Let me see how you are doing it. Okay, let me see. Let me see how you're doing it.
Like that?
No, you know you have thrown here much.
No, I don't know. I've never done it, so I don't know. I'm trying.
No, you do
Nani,
this way.
Saga.
No, you do this way. You know, like, hey, you need to be born in the village. See, like this. You just do this.
It won't.
No, but you measure the land. You see the land, so they grow well. Now I gave you much. You just thrown. I don't know how.
No, I didn't know. So you were trying to teach me then now.
Yeah. Tatriga. Aina Aruche. True boy is calling me. So you do this. Tatame kono uche. So you also do this. So this way. You see the way I'm doing? It's like you're sprinkling it. I don't want to say the process. Sorry guys.
Okay.
I'm still on the what you call like secret.
Even that's to that end, eh?
Yeah. So you just sprinkle like rain. And I want to know what method is that. And they took the seeds and he started to throw the seeds. And other seeds grow in a rock. Other seeds fell on the thorn. And other seeds fell on the smooth best land. So, the best land. So,
Yeah.
the sower. Do you want to say this is the process is called sowing?
No.
I've just already thrown. So you did this. So the remaining one you're going to plant it on the pot, okay?
Okay. No, plant it on my own.
No, on your own. This way. So True Boy, I'm asking True Boy, like which process is this? Like throwing this way, shot by shot. And he's telling me in Kikuria.
Yeah, Kumusa.
How is it?
Kumusa.
Kumusa.
But I forgot. I know it. I learned in agriculture, but it seems like I forgot. Good morning, guys.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good.
How is everything?
Everything is cool.
Yes.
I was in town there.
How the lessons saying?
The mason are just doing their work over there. I went to repair the hammers.
The baby.
No, not baby.
Oh, the hammers.
Yeah,
I
hammers.
thought you were calling about your, say the mason ham. I thought maybe your hammer deka.
Mason hammer. Oh, mason hammer.
Mason hammer. Yeah.
Yes. So, welcome to Claude Joseph YouTube channel.
Yes.
We're here. Back in the village. This is what we are doing. We've been doing.
Yeah.
Since and that's what they have been doing. Our grandparents, our and till now. And who taught you that?
Of Kumusa.
I forgot, but I used to know it.
You know the method? I've told people like
for sure.
They should maybe give me $20 so that I can tell them the process. And if they know, they comment down below, and I just screenshot and post it on my community tab. Tell them, oh, this guy or this one got it right. So I don't know. Maybe what do you think about that?
It's okay. So to me, if
you comment there, I'll just screenshot.
No, I don't want to comment. Let me say it now so that you give me that
say it.
$20.
No, I said they should. If you know it, keep quiet. Comment down below. Yeah, I want them to need this. You know it? Tell me.
No.
No, tell me the
you want me to give you a secret? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So I was just passing over there, and I saw these guys.
I'm coming because I'm just finishing with this. And you can go because I know sometimes the work is so heavy there.
It's okay.
So and also with me how here, according, maybe I don't want to tell you this or to drag you in. It's like most people have been assuming that she's pregnant. She's not doing videos that can show her body, whatever. What do you think about that? Is it good to keep it private, or is it good just to address it and tell people what is it? Because everybody has his own ideas.
With me, there are things that you have to put it private. It's not good just to be telling everything.
Yeah.
Or recording everything.
Absolutely.
Sometimes that's one way of maybe like
having family privacy.
No, yeah. It's not everything that maybe I have to tell other people.
Yeah, for sure.
With me, there are some things that I can tell you alone.
Yeah, and
that's what we call like a secret.
Secret, yeah.
So not like just going and telling everyone.
Yeah, for sure.
So there are some things we have to keep them private.
Yeah, private.
Yeah. I think that's the best.
Yeah, the best thing is I've been seeing them attacking her on the comment section, and not that I'm addressing it in a bad way, but just trying to tell them what is. If she feels like she can say it, if it's a yes or a no, But they have been attacking her online. Whenever I put a video, why are you covering your stomach? Why are you doing this? So I was like, yeah. So I wanted just to tell them.
But she's okay, I can see.
Yeah, to give
that's
them
her body.
To give them the what you call to give them the air. Whatever they have been thinking. If she says, we can't, can you deny a baby?
No, you can't.
It's not good to deny a baby. If it is there.
And so far,
yes.
You are already married.
Yeah.
To have a baby is not bad. That's obvious.
It's an obvious thing.
Yeah.
And culturally, if you stay with a girl, maybe not even 2 months or 3 months, and they don't see her stomach full, they'll be like, this guy. They start suspecting, is this guy good? Does he even?
You don't have fertility.
So that's our culture over here, guys. So it's not a new thing. Maybe if she gets pregnant, it's not a bad thing. I'll just be responsible for that.
When you get engaged in marriage, to me like you are ready for everything.
Absolutely.
Anytime your stomach can be like this.
Yes.
You see. So
it's just growing.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we don't know whether how is like this, whether or not.
Yeah.
But maybe she's the one to tell us, or we are the one to tell us,
Yeah.
But those who are just commenting anyhow without them knowing.
Yeah.
It's not good.
Yeah. That's it.
That's rumors.
That's rumors. And also they always say, guys, in traditional, whenever you pass people, people eating, you have to cut, or people cutting meat, you have to cut. So I want to give you, and I see if you are a good sower. I want you to plant going to the other side.
Kumusa, right?
Kumusa.
And what's this?
Those are spider.
Oh, and Saga, you know.
Musa, you see? So you Musa. I also want you back to Musa. Musa then.
Me now.
Do this. You do this. Like you take like you're throwing a stone, and then you do just you leave them. Yeah.
So how will I know where they're falling?
Yeah, in a good land. That's why in even the holy books they say, and he took the seeds and he threw them anyhow. Some fall in thorns, some fall in a good soil, and some fall on the. So whatever will grow will grow. Whichever will just fall inside there, let it be there. Whatever fall in a good soil is be there. So let me also move at this, and then we wanna end, and then maybe I'll be heading to Two Boys. So that
I'm going to leave.
why are you saying that, man? Come on, guys! What the hell? I hate you. Why are you passing between my interview, man? That was my brother. You know he's good in agriculture. But have you heard anything, guys? Please don't say anything. Still comment. True boy. I'm done with this.
Let me just, because the Masons are waiting.
Okay, man. Just thank you for passing by. I'm coming just right now.
All
right, man. Thank you, bro. Please, guys, subscribe to True Boy. He's just over here. A very good guy. Road 2. Road 2. Thank you, man. All right, guys. So I want to put here a landmark also, showing them that I planted this. So that way, you are a good farmer. Let's go back to the house now. And what do you think? Now you have known it?
Yeah,
No, don't say it. I know that people who haven't had it.
They had it. My
No, relax. Do you know they did? So it's news. It's a process of also news.
Please introduce Bumble for me.
Guys, this Bumble. Yeah. Bumble. The Bumble smiles so nice.
No, it's not crying.
Guys, why is it that the dog can sometimes cry? Oh my god.
This is my boy.
Beatrice.
Yes.
Introduce yourself once again, man, because it has been a long time, man.
Hi guys. So once again, I am Beatrice Hongo. I mean, Harry told me not to say Beatrice. So my name is Beatrice Hongo from Kisumu, but apparently I stay in Mombasa. So I'm so grateful to be here again. Fun fact, guys, I knew CJ
Feel free.
before
This
being
is
Howie.
home, yeah.
Seriously, yeah, I knew.
I knew you before CJ.
No.
Remember when you came to Mombasa? The first time we met at Queen's Court?
Yes. But that's when I knew CJ first.
Oh, you done the first?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. I knew CJ before being Harry.
That was 2023 when you met in Mombasa.
I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I knew him first before,
Okay.
before even this lovebird started.
There's a very long story, guys. But
Anyway,
actually,
I'm
that
so grateful to be here.
that made me to say no, and to learn how to say no, and to just focus. No, it's just that way. It's just that way, because if I could have
You need to bribe me. You know my name. My second name means Hongo,
Hongo.
and Hongo means
Bribe.
Bribe in Kenya.
You did
so
bribe?
me.
Uh-huh.
Please send him $10.
just say it if you feel, because
No,
even
they have
people
to send you $10.
even if you say it, people will be just applauding and say, CJ, you did a good thing.
No, they have to send something.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Send something first and CJ.
Something.
If you want to know the tea.
Alright, guys, now we're after the. Hey, there's something I'm seeing. Oh my god. There's a lot of this. I don't know what they're called. There's a lot of ants. Guess what do you call this? And whatever they see this way, this means there's a sherehe. And sherehe is party celebration. See, we are just over here, guys. So from here, we are just gonna go wash my hands. I'm not going to wash my boots. Just work up my machine. Then
But you're against the African culture.
why?
Like when you go to Shamba, you don't put on nicely like this. That's Africa for you.
Oh my god, you know, let me tell you one thing. With me, I'm trying to break those.
Serious.
Yeah, I'm trying to break it down, because they always say,
It's feeling cold.
shaking. Maybe it needs to go and sleep. They always say you have to put on rags while going to the land to just plant or do anything. That's not how it's supposed to be. Just put on nicely. Even the plants will grow nicely. right?
Really?
Yeah. You,
I'm still an African though.
yeah, we are all Africans. But
Still have the bone, the culture thing.
but this thing, you want to put on rags so that you can go to. Guys, there's something here. There is a what you call like pomegranate. This is what you see here. It's a fruit yard, and I'm so much happy. Oh, these are twins over here also. Very nice and great. So that's it, guys. You haven't yet given people the real fact before I go. Are you pregnant or not, or is it just a secret so that they wanna see?
What now? Like I think I've addressed this issue like a lot of times. Since I came to the village, everyone has been saying I'm pregnant. Like I've been pregnant for 2 years.
Nowadays they used to say, "Oh, you are eating lemon." Why? Nowadays, but you have been with me not eating lemon.
I'm not. I don't think I was eating.
Since you came here, people are saying you're pregnant.
Yeah, since I came to the village, because now they were able to see. Because I used to do reaction videos, and they used to sit down most of the times. And then now I started doing vlogs, moving around and all that. And guys were like, "Oh, you're pregnant! Oh, you're..." Since now it's 2 years of pregnancy, I think. But anyway,
Maybe they're praying for you. You never
yeah. And also kids are a blessing. I think I need to.
Me, I feel like
I need to add a baby.
yeah. If that
And
means
if it
that
happens, if it means
that mean if you say so, that means it's there.
show my stomach.
That means it shows it's there, and me I'll be so much happy, and I'm so much happy for it.
Okay, for people to confirm that she's pregnant, I think CJ need to do something.
Need to do something.
Yeah.
What's that you need to do?
I need to have a swing.
Yeah, every day.
You know the swing?
You're shameless.
So you have to have a swing. I'll just put a swing here.
And swing every day.
Every day.
I swing every day.
This guy's crazy.
I'll
He's
have
not crazy, but he's more crazy.
you know, can we download another new baby?
We'll get a baby soon.
Okay.
Yeah. So are you guys? If at all you get an invitation to the baby shower,
Feel free.
feel free to
Just come.
Yeah.
Baby shower before even the baby comes.
No, what maybe the baby's there, maybe the baby's not there. Because now I don't want to confirm or deny anything, just in case. Because I think I need to go and do a pregnancy test.
Yeah, maybe you should.
Can
do
we do a
that.
pregnancy test tomorrow on your
Live,
channel?
yes.
Maybe.
Can we do that?
Obviously. We'll check on it.
Sorry, can we do a pregnancy test
Why
tomorrow?
not?
Are you ready?
Yes, very ready.
Yeah. So tomorrow, guys, on this channel, we do a pregnancy test.
So that we can just give them facts.
Yeah. So
All
that
right.
I think I'm tired of addressing all this.
Okay.
Yeah, and talking about.
Can we
it all
have
the time.
2 babies like?
Yeah, these are my
Yeah.
favorite ninjas. This one likes biting me.
And
And
all right,
yeah.
man. Thank you and have a lovely time. Subscribe to Beatrice Hongo, to me and Howie. And let me resume back to work and see what's happening. Adios. All right, let me check on these guys. All right. Lali, haidoma, anawate matingila ngasi. Haidoma, iye mulali. Haidoma, haidoma, iye mulali. Haidoma, haidoma, iye mulali. Haidoma. Hey, yeah. I love grandma's gray hair. All right, guys. Let's see. Hi. You know how to ride it? Yeah. No, step. You know how to ride a bike?
Yes.
Do you know how to ride it?
Yes.
You wanna just park it for me there? Wanna check? Okay. You know, sometimes when you have things like these, guys, even at home, don't be denying them. So just try to teach them, because a kid can save you someday. Because you might feel like, oh, you are just dying. Don't ride a bike. Don't ride a car. Hey, it's my car. Do this. Buy yours. And then sometimes you feel sick and nobody can ride you. Just imagine that. Let me just see if he's ready. Maybe I'll just know if they always steal my bike sometimes when I'm free, because I always leave the keys there. Let me see if he can ride it. You know, it's too heavy. Can I help you pull back? But if you know how to ride, always put on protective gear. Let me help you. Hey, you know how to ride it? Let me put it back, right? Okay. Is it okay?
You want to?
Okay, you can. Let me step this for you. Oh, sorry. Slowly. Hey, so you know, slowly. And he's gone. Okay, just reach where Jacob is and come back. Because I don't want you to just try to ride it where you don't. Yeah, that's what I'm telling you guys. Hold on. That's what I'm telling you guys. Sometimes you need to just teach. If you have any kid or your brother or like anybody, because sometimes when you are far away, the corner there. The brakes are very sharp, bro.
Yesterday you like.
I went for the garage. Yeah, service. Slowly, slowly. Slowly, slowly. Go easy, 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 easy. Oh wow! Imagine Manu can carry me. Minhawi. There's no need of me now being carrying you. If I'm very far away, I can just tell Manu to just come and help you.
This thing I was standing next to the.
So I wanna just put petrol. I don't know, guys. There's this. I don't know. They mean bad. They mean bad thing in life. Like when you see them surrounding your house, you see them this way. So I wanna pour petrol, and I found that Mama has prepared breakfast. So Mama prepared breakfast. Sometimes we cook from here, guys, in the 3-stone jiko, but this one is improvised. It's digital somehow. We cook from here in the kitchen. I think Mama prepared some plantains for us, and already we installed also electricity in the kitchen. That's what you see. When it's at night, we can cook from here. And she's now washing utensils over there. Very nice. Guys, we're having breakfast here which Mama prepared. We're having plantains or ndizi or what? Matoke. Bibi, nakula?
Nakula matoke.
Okay, kidogo kidogo. And this looks like what we call like no, it looks like soursop leaves. So we are having also beef. Okay, being a husband now officially. Serve me. Honestly, self-service.
Let me serve you.
Addressing the rules, guys. Pregnant.
Actually, I was telling her,
Yes.
you know, I'm half Kenyan, half Ugandan. In my Ugandan culture, when you're serving the husband, you have to kneel.
Oh, go down low, go down,
Ugandan. She's
go down low, go down
I'm
low,
not from Uganda.
go down, baby,
I'm
low.
from where would they beat you if you don't eat?
Yeah, in Luo or in Kisi, if you don't eat as a husband,
Yeah, you have to.
you'll eat by force.
By force, it's a war.
You will eat by force, but I just beat you.
So there's stew here.
This stew.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Hey, you got the chunk.
The chunk, you love the chunk?
Yeah.
It's enough. Alright, guys, we have this. Hey, being a wife or being a husband. Let Kijiko. God bless this food. Amen. How do you find it over here in the village?
I'm enjoying
You know you are city girls.
I'm not a city girl.
Yeah, we're city girls. These two are city girls, guys.
But I love the food. It's so much natural. It's tastier compared to coast. Actually, I've been enjoying drinking water because the water is the sweetest.
Wow. Here we use mtungi. We just take our water and then we put it and down at the cement.
Yeah.
Freezer. And that's it. Thank you. So guys, it's evening time and people are really doing what we call like winding up with work. And one thing I love is how these beams have come up. So we have already remained with this one that you see over here to take from there to this other end. and we are almost done with the lintel, and this is how you see the lintel. I love how spacious the windows are. So now they are dealing with the inside, as you see, and the whole house now. Look how sharp it is over there. Look, you can't even tell between the block and the lintel, or the lintel, something like that. So yeah, I'll be sharing with you what's happening. So we have a pillar here all the way up, beam, another pillar over here, another pillar, very nice pillar, beam. So sometimes, maybe some days it can be a story building because it has strong pillars and beams. So the work is still ongoing. And this is what you see over here. So the work is winding up. So maybe tomorrow we'll be doing the arc of what you call like the arc of the dining, and also we are almost done with the inside. Hey man, how are you?
I'm fine.
You good? How is everything? You look bored, man. Is it because of work?
So tired. I've been so busy. Yeah.
Okay.
We have here we just thank God because we can see the work is going well.
Yeah, very nice.
And today now we are done with the limited walls.
The lintel and the outside walls is the way you can see them.
Yeah.
The outside wall,
They look very smooth.
very smooth and very nice. That was very great because we had our own timbers, which really supported us very well. So they did a very nice job. Congratulations, man, for this nice time.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. So
Thank you a lot, guys.
yeah, please subscribe to Boy208. Show him some love, and things will move on so nicely. All right, man. Let me just give them a 360.
Okay, right.
Yeah. How was the work? Is it smooth or?
We are just trying to ensure that everything is going well.
Yes.
We don't want maybe when we are done,
Then you
a
can
lot of
then-
mistakes. You know?
Maybe don't worry.
Yeah, we don't want that.
Okay.
Actually, the way we are going, even the engineer came and said the house is in a safer place. You know?
Absolutely. Yeah.
Like, there is no any problem, no any mistake done. So you are not going to put any wall down.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. So when we are done, we are done. Now next step.
Absolutely, guys. All right, man. Peace. All right, guys. This is how you see how the house has been built on this other end. Like we were having this called wall pass, and in every 2 blocks we had another wall pass. Every 2 blocks we had another wall pass. So those wall pass, they prevent the wall from having cracks, or when it even have a crack, it cannot penetrate to the inside. So that's what you see. The work is still going. So also we have the outside beam will come and attach over here. Another one will come from there to attach to this. This is our engineer here. So this one imekorogiwa leo. Oh, uligonga kutoka hapo kairudisha hapo. Oh. Oh, okay. Sasa ilikuwa hapa. Okay. We were saying that this one wanted to just come and align with this so that we can prevent the coast, but it's so very nice and okay. So yeah, that's what you see, and we have been really doing the very nice and great job. So what is remaining is the roofing now, and in the roofing we have timbers. I'm not quite sure if they've finished, so but we are waiting the quotation of we are waiting the quotation of what we call like the quotation of the roofing guy or of the roofing engineer. Already the sand is, everything is done. We also have these beams that have been closed, and then let me show you how we covered these timbers. We had a lot of timbers here, but I decided that let's just transfer them. We put them down here, so they are preserved, and we put what we call like a log down so that we can preserve them down here this way. So we have covered them so that we can avoid them from rain, and also there are some what you call like timbers on the other end. So it's the progress, little progress daily, small by small, and we give thanks to Almighty God for you guys, and also for us over here in the village, for the great work that we are doing here, for you trusting us, and also for supporting us by your prayers, and also supporting us by your advices, and whichever way of the support. That's why you see whatever we are doing over here, it's a really nice way. It's a very, very great job. Well done. Job well done. All right, man. See you. Yes. Okay, man. Bye bye, guys. Remember, it's the road to 30,000 subscribers, and show some love. Bye, guys. I love you. Bye.